This is the first truckload of concrete for the footings of the new field house at the Putney School. The concrete goes in here and heads up there, and it goes over there, and it comes down here and drops into the footings.
There's an accelerator added so that it takes the place of water so that it's not so susceptible to freezing. So they put what's called a plasticizer in. It makes it much more workable. They can actually make the concrete relatively soupy, and within an hour it'll come back to the strength it's supposed to be. The concrete will generate enough heat on its own to sustain it for probably about 48 hours. So the black blankets you see up in the center here are insulated concrete blankets. We'll lay those over the top of the footings to keep the heat in. It'll keep itself probably at about 35 to 40 degrees within 4 days. Underneath the footings is all crushed stone and filter fabric. If we didn't do that, it would allow this mud to come up and through. So when the guys were working in it, would just be that muddy mess that wouldn't sustain the weight of the building.
There it is, the first concrete of the new field house. This gentleman here is vibrating the concrete to make sure there's no air pockets or voids. The excess concrete will get poured into these waste blocks, to which a lift loop will be added so that we use them for other purposes around the school, and that way no materials are wasted.